Up and down, far.
Flips. White owls.
I'm doing a whole video on you three hitting trees.
Bobby went off of me for my birthday last year. Semi-automatic.
What no one wants to see. A shirtless man pushing a baby carriage with a ghost baby.
Well, find me one that's close to you.
I will.
I stay away. Because the geese in Washington.
Because they're geese, or do you stay away because they're mean?
They're mean.
Okay.
They're mean.
Okay.
I mean, I grew up with mean geese because we had the Canadian geese were in our backyard all the time up in Seattle.
Yeah, the worst part about it is their shit.
So this is where the fucking shit is.
That's the worst part about geese. They poop a lot. Like if you have geese in the area, that's one thing I know.
Yeah, but most of the problem with them is that they like to hang out on the ball fields and they're tearing up the outfields.
Seeds and stuff. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Hold on. You got to give me a second to imagine. That was a lot of cock and eagles.
Yeah, well, it was like a huge
A lot of eagles.
of them. You had a lot of the juniors that didn't have the ball or the white head. Yeah, I got tied up. My daughter called saying that she's trying out for the fast pitch team. Yeah, I got tied up. My daughter called saying that she's trying out for the fast pitch team.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I got tied up. My daughter called saying that she's trying out for the fast pitch team.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, she needed
Like most daughters are calling up right now saying something that no one wants to hear.
right, but
I'm not allowed near schools.
and
I continue with your wholesome story that I ruined.
but no,
That's
she needed some
that's cool.
equipment and stuff, so we had to order and ship some equipment to her.
Nice.
So
Oh, so speaking of kids and stuff, hey, did I tell you, Jay, my little sister's pregnant?
Congratulations.
yeah, my little sister's pregnant too.
I know. I'm gonna be a dad.
It's too cold to play right now.
I got I saw that on. That's yeah, no, it's with the bullet disc you gave me.
You're being
Nah, just
recorded. You're on
But
the hook for yourself,
No, it's
bro.
awesome news. But she texted me. You know what I said when I read it? I said, "Oh shit, oh shit."
I don't know, where's that?
Northeast, it's fucking cold.
Wear a scarf. It's too scarf. It's like Ebenezer Scrooge meets Doctor Who. Broken in. That's how you break it a disc.
I don't know, where's that?
And then I usually use Manhattan.
I don't know, where's that?
Never mind.
I got it.
And then I usually use.
That was a smooch. That was a smooch. He was tree 9 right there. He was tree 9 right there.
Spring Am Slam, March 26th. Spring Am Slam, March 26th, 2022. At Oak Ridge Disc Golf Course. Oak Ridge Disc Oak Ridge Park. At beautiful Oak Ridge Park. Women's tier registration started on the 1st. Women's tier registration started on the 1st. Oak Ridge tag registration. Open registration is February 5th. And open registration is February 5th. Join Minimum Media at Oak Ridge. Join Minimum Media at Oak Ridge. For our first and annual. For our first spring and annual. Spring Am Slam. Spring Am Slam. Oh shit! Harley Davidson. Oh shit! Harley Davidson. Registration is $50.
Go back inside for another 3 months. It'll be
I want
warmer.
to basically just slam as much exposure as many aspects as we possibly can, all at one time.
I repeat, it's too cold to play right now.